Feet kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want in on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'll be doing like a wig install. Well, not me, I got a special guest. My little sis is about to slay my hair. Like, she does hair and I feel like she's like super bomb, so I'm gonna let her like shine on y'all today, and she's gonna do my hair. So guys, today's video is sponsored by AliPearl, guys, and they were kind enough to send me their chestnut brown body wave wig. And guys, this is 28 inches in length and it is 200% density, so it's really full and it's really long, and the color is such a vibe. So we're gonna like get into it. Look at this. There's so much body on this. This is definitely like 200% density. Because it was like a longer length, I wanted extra body, so that's why I picked like 200% density. I feel like we're gonna look real cute when this is done. This is the front of the wig. This is what it looks like if it will focus. So that's the front. It is a 13x4 frontal, and guys, I'm super excited because you already know that there's a shortage on lace, so I have not been doing frontals like that, so I'm really excited. This is the inside, and because of the color, the knots are already pre-bleached. It has like combs on the inside as well as adjustable straps. I never use the combs on frontals, but yeah. So we're gonna like get into it. I'm gonna get sis in the video real quick so y'all can like see her, and then we're just gonna get this install on and popping because right now I look crazy, and when we're done, I'm gonna look like, you already know to like trust the process. You already know what to do. So if you're like right here in the video, I need to stop saying like so much. I'm so annoying. Anyways, y'all need to like this video, y'all need to comment, y'all need to subscribe, and y'all need to share. Okay, so like let's get into this video for the one time. And I said like again, I'm done. Guys, this is Cassidy. She's about to slay my hair. I don't know why I'm looking there, but yeah guys, she's about to slay my hair. And she's really short, so I have to put my chair like all the way down here. Hopefully y'all can still see me. Yeah, so let's get into it. Guys, she's doing like the ball cap like method and everything. Like, she's doing like the whole thing. Like, sometimes I'll be lazy when I install my wigs to do all this extra stuff, but this is like a detailed install, so y'all can definitely like learn something from this. Guys, so she used the airbrush legs. Usually I put this on my cap directly, on my wig directly, and sometimes it makes it messy. So what she did, she put it on the cap, and then at the front she used like my foundation just to get like that exact match from my skin tone. So the airbrush legs, she's just using that to like, you know, like dye the cap or whatever, versus using foundation all over the cap because that takes a lot of foundation. So that's what we're doing. I know we kind of look crazy right now, but it's gonna make sense. The hair, the knots come pre-bleached, so that's pretty good, so we don't have to worry about that. So the hair is pre-bleached. And she's gonna just add like a little bit of foundation so it blends better. Like all these extra steps, y'all know I don't be doing that, right? Like, I don't be doing that, but she's like doing it like professionally. So she's gonna get it together so we gonna look like real seamless and slayed. On and we're gonna style her. She put this elastic band just to get it to melt, and then, you know, cut the extra lace off and fix any edges that needs to be fixed. So now she's gonna give me a part. I think I want a side part, like on this side or something, I don't know, but we're gonna look cute. The hair is like more blonde, I think. Is it blonde? I don't know what color this is. It's a brown. I don't know what color this is. They say it's chestnut brown, but yeah, it looks pretty. So yeah, keep on watching. Like doing the curls, and then we're gonna get the layers, and it looks really pretty. She did pluck my hair somewhat, so it's looking way more natural at the front because it was a little bit like dense, so it's looking a lot better. She's like doing like a bomb-ass job. I can already tell that my hair is going to be like fire. Okay guys, so I'm getting the hair curled right now, and it looks so good. And she told me to tell you guys because I don't know why she's not talking, but she curls the hair away from your face. Curl the hair away from your face. I don't know how I'm gonna like recurl this side, honestly, away from my face. That's why I always do like center parts, because I'm right-handed and I like my part on this side so the hair comes this way, but it's hard to like curl the hair this way, if you get what I mean. So that's why I almost always have a center part in my head. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. I think it looks super good so far, and she's just like curling it, and then we're gonna do like the baby hairs, and then we're gonna be ready. And guys, be sure to follow my sis on Instagram. Her Instagram is @KCouture. I'm gonna like leave it on the screen, like somewhere over here or over there, and I'm gonna leave it in the description box, so you can definitely like follow her on Instagram and on TikTok. She makes really cute TikToks, so you can follow her over there. she give you like, you know, like the tea on doing hair and stuff, like the things that I don't even be paying attention to. Like she pays attention to that, so y'all should definitely like check her out on all her socials. It's okay, guys, so this is the finished product, and I think she did an amazing job. Like, look at my hair. Do you see how laid this is? And the hair, guys, it doesn't like shed too much, even though it's like a colored unit. It doesn't shed much, and I think it looks amazing. She did add some layers. It is 28 inches, but she added some layers and then added the curls, so it's like stopping like right below my bust at my waist area, but it is true to length. So if you wanted to like straighten it, it would have been 28 inches. But yeah, this hair is super nice. It's super full. You might have to do a bit of plucking because it's so full. Like at the top we had to do a lot of plucking, but besides that, it looks so bomb. Such an amazing job. Like, look at my install, guys. Be sure to check out kcouture.ja. I'm gonna leave her social medias down in the description box below. Y'all should definitely like check her out. She did a good job. Like, sis gonna have to make another appearance because my hair, honey, is laid. You see these layers and the color, it's just so sexy. I feel like this hair is giving me like romance vibe. Like, it's so romantic. I can't wait to do my makeup. Like, I have no makeup on and I feel so pretty because it's just bomb. It's just bomb, okay? Okay, so if y'all are interested in like getting this hair, you should definitely like check it out in the description down below. Thank you so much, AliPearl, for sending me this hair. It's bomb, and we about to slay. We about to slay. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know if y'all want to see K Couture on my channel again. kcouture.ja. I keep messing her name up. Well, let me know if y'all want to see her again on my channel because, honey, she ate. Like, she ate. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys oh so much, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.
Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what's in me.